Hello everybody, it's Teach You to Build back once again. What I wanted to do today is show you what it is to build a monostable circuit, because this circuit is used in many of the builds that I use with the redstone. So let's get started. You will see I laid out a bunch of items just to demonstrate some of the differences, and then we'll go into building the actual circuit. Before we get to the monostable circuit, let's discuss basic items. We have a lever. You turn the lever on and off. The problem with the lever is when you go to the back, if you're going in a doorway, you can't turn it off on both sides. It only works on one side, which is why we need to construct this monostable circuit. So let's look at some doors. Normal button operation, you click it, obviously the door opens and closes. Barely giving you enough time sometimes to get through. Let's add a button to this side. So you got stuck, okay? Next, a lever. The lever is nice because you can pull, the door stays open, which is really nice because it gives you plenty of time to walk in. The problem is, once again, you can't close the door from the other side. It leaves us with quite a dilemma that is solved by the monostable circuit. So this is a button using the monostable circuit, which I hid all the redstone, so you won't see that. But what this does is it basically turns the button into a lever, but it's an operable button on both sides. So you click the button, it'll open the door stays open. And then when you want to click the button on the other side, it operates the circuit again, now closes the door. So it solves our problem of not being able to open the door on both sides, but yet having a door that's able to stay open versus closing, in time so that you don't get stuck. So you can decide when you want to close it, and now I'm going to close it. Okay, so that's all operated with a monostable circuit. So let's check out the circuit itself. This is the monostable circuit, and we'll build it in a second. What it does is it has two sticky pistons down there with a block in between, a bit of redstone. So we'll just flip that, and you'll see that we flip it, the light's on. You click the button again, and the light's off. Okay, so that's what's used in that door. I use this in many builds, a lot of different things. So let's show you how to do it. Okay, first, I'm going to make 3 blocks. Actually 4. I'm going to put the sticky piston here, oops, and a sticky piston right there. So you're going to have 4 blocks, 2 in between, and you're going to fill one of them with a stone block, or any kind of brick really. When we activate it, it'll basically extend one of the arms out, so it will have to push this block forward and back. Then we're going to dig down 1 level and put a torch, dig out. And this will be your output right here, okay? So whatever you want your output to be is going to be there. And we have our top of this right here, where we have 2 of our blocks. I'm going to put a redstone torch on each side. We're going to put redstone on the top. Okay, so basically what that does is it's going to send signals back and forth between those pistons. And now we need our input signal, which will just use some redstone. I'm just going to move over here so we can click the button. Put the button here. And just for the output signal, just so you guys can see that it's working, I'm going to put a light there so you can see that this is an operable function. Okay? So let's see. Monostable circuit. So we click the button, it would turn the light on. We click the button again, and it will turn the light off. Okay, so that's what we used in order to walk through those doors all the way over there, is the monostable circuit. I'm going to show you a really cool way I used it in a chest room using pressure plates, which activates the pressure plates, or the pressure plates activate when you walk over them, opening up the room so the chests are exposed. And then when you walk back over the pressure plates, it closes the area where the chests are so that it is not exposed, so it's hidden. Okay? And I'm going to show you that in the next episode. Everyone take care. This is a monostable circuit redstone tutorial.